look at this day. It's an absolutely bloody gorgeous day. Why are you sitting in my chair, man? We're gonna make a video, you might have to move. G'day. It's another bloody gorgeous day here in Paradise, Christchurch, New Zealand. And this is an accessory for model hit and miss engines, the wheeled trolley kit. This is the MUSA base. Where's my scissors? So I bought the MUSA wheel kit. I noticed it's on special at Sterling Kit, maybe at Engine DIY. MUSA. The MUSA HM01 is pretty famous in the Chinese model engine world for being very well built. It's a really good model of a hit and miss engine. Sorry? You think he's silly? He is, isn't he? Why don't you guys come and watch this? Okay, so what do you get in the box? This is a good old-fashioned unboxing. I'll bring you guys around here to have a look. Just doing this a bit one-handed, so you have to excuse me. Nice coloured drawings. HM01, place it in a fixed position and mark it. Okay. This is the box, this is the packing, those are the screws. I've seen somebody mount a different engine on this, and I'm not absolutely sure which one I'm going to do. So, move that for a second. My HM01 by MUSA is currently mounted to the base. It's currently mounted to the base using this, and it's mounted there so I can run this. You can see that in a previous video of mine. We also have this engine here by OKMO. This is the B01 ball top, and we're going to have a look at which engine might receive this beautiful base by MUSA. Very nice. Beautiful wheels. So I don't remember them having those little brass study things around the wheel. But I love everything about that. That is very nice. Price is, gosh, I think it was 112 after the discount. These are very nice. Right, now the question is, which engine? Absolutely perfectly fits the Jin's engine. Let me just have a look. What do you guys think? Cats are saying hello to each other. Hey, Blue. You coming in? Come on, Blue. Good boy. I don't know what to do. I don't know which engine to set it up with. Look, you could use this wheeled kit for so many different engines. You can see it's going to work for all of the OKMO engines with this base, which is all OKMO engines, really. Let's have a close look at the features and the quality. So this is the underneath of it. We're looking at this kind of upside down. Wheel construction. Yeah, little brass rivets on those spokes. I mean, that's a really nice job. I would say very scale. Beautiful job. See the construction there? Very impressive. Looks so good. Almost tempted to go back and buy another one of these trolleys. Because I'm planning to buy more engines from Jin this year. So for $130 including postage, I don't see how that wheel set could be any better, really. The construction with the bearings and the many parts, the painting, the general look, the fact that it fits the MUSA HM01, and it looks like it's going to fit all the OKMO models with this base. The red, very similar. Look, it's just what's not to like. I mean, when I'm talking about cost, it would probably cost you more to build it yourself, let alone in terms of time. And perfect, really.